Next important topic is variance and standard deviation. Now what is variance? Variance is average of square deviation from the mean, where the mean can be represented as mu. The next is population variance. The formula for population variance is 1 by n summation I equal to 1 to n xi minus mu square. This is the formula for population variance. In case of sample variance, the formula will be slightly changed. In the denominator term, we use n minus 1 summation I equal to 1 to n xi minus mu square. So the only difference between the population variance and the sample variance is the denominator term. We add n minus 1 in the denominator, which is also called as degree of freedom. Take an example of a dataset X, and the value for X is 4, 6 and 8. If we calculate the mean of the dataset X, the mean will be 4 plus 6 plus 8 divided by total number of data point, which is 3, or the total number of observation. The mean will be calculated as 6. So as per the formula of sample variance will be 1 by n minus 1. We have total 3 number of observations, so n minus 1 will be 2. Summation of xi minus mu, so 4 minus 6 square plus 6 minus 6 square plus 8 minus 6 square, which is equal to 1 by 2, 2 square plus 0 plus 2 square, which is equal to 4. So the value for the sample variance of a given data set 4, 6 and 8 is 4. Now what is the formula for sample variance? The formula for sample variance is 1 by n minus 1 summation I equal to 1 to n xi minus mu square. Now the next important topic is standard deviation. Standard deviation can be denoted as sigma, and sigma will be equal to square root of variance. So if we calculate the square root of variance, then the square root of 1 by n minus 1 summation I equal to 1 to n xi minus mu square. This is the formula for standard deviation. From the previous example, where the dataset X is having value 4, 6 and 8 and the mean mu is equal to 6. If we substitute all this value into the formula, the standard deviation will be equal to square root of 1 by 2 4 minus 6 square plus 6 minus 6 square plus 8 minus 6 square, which is equal to square root of 4. So standard deviation will be equal to 2 for a given data points 4, 6 and 8. So this is the formula for sample variance, and this is the formula for standard deviation, which is the square root of variance. Now we will implement the same thing in Python code. Import the Python libraries. Import numpy as np from statistics. Import variance, standard deviation. From the previous example, we have the data. 4, 6 and 8. To calculate the variance of data, the output is 4, and the standard deviation of data, which is a square root of variance, is equal to 2. Now take slightly different data equal to np dot array and calculate the variance. The variance of this given data set is 516, and the standard deviation, which is a square root of variance, is equal to 22.71.